what it was to start with. You can see mapping out the new one with the tape, but that is yeah, not very pleasant to look at. Brand new house, but that's just nasty. So it's getting replaced. As you can see, chipped off the back already. That now comes forward, and we just loosen it up. We'll get the new one in. We've got it off, unplumbed. looks like a demolition, not a renovation, but we'll carry on. Oh, that was a bit of disassembly, but there's the faucet and all the bits that go around it. Oh wow, now I've got to put it all back together with a new one. So that's the replacement one. Looks like I've got a bit of work to do though, because that is to be cut out and the baseboard needs to be gone as well. Fun job. Looks like we're cutting out this in the back, making room for that. And thanks to my favourite tool, we have a hole. Boom. Here we go. Baseboard removed, base glue done, spare piece down there. Let's see if it fits. Look at that. It's a modern freaking miracle. Huh. Wow. Geez, I impress myself sometimes. Wow. Top fits on good. The only downside here is that the old one was a little bit higher, so you can see I've got a bit of covering to do, which not a big deal. But there we go. Little bit of, what do they call it in this country? Mud. We call it gyp stopping in Australia and the UK, but here it's called mudding. Anyway, it seems to work. The texture, all good. Alright, bloody hell. I've been dicking around with this thing here, and then my millennial son comes in and says, "Oh Dad, I think it actually screws into this," and it bloody does, doesn't it? Jeez, I feel such a dumbass right now. But we done it. It's all put in there. Oh, shit. Yeah, we got to do the water now. Right. So we got water connected. All up there, all done. And if we turn that on, good. Even the plug should work. Look at that. And the end result looks like that. 1,000 times better. Damn good.